Okay guys, we're going to be pitting up this mini bike against the mini Jeep. It's a DR200. That's tiny. Yes, okay, I called your Dirty Deuce. I called the Dirty Deuce a mini bike, that's what it is. But we got our very own Josh here, and then we've got Anthony from over at McGee's Garage YouTube, so go check them out. But we're going to be pitting them up against 3 different styles of races. We've got the Las Vegas style, we've got a circuit race, and we've got a drag race planned. Go ahead and put your votes in the comments below, which one you think is going to win, and let's get started, guys.
Give me some love for the Dirty Deuce, baby.
Boo.
You boo me?
I did boo
Oh,
you.
you call my bike a
Let's
mini
go.
bike?